Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Reddit and affiliate marketing as a beginner. And don't worry, we will not spam Reddit with our links, we will not spam Reddit with our posts. We are actually going to use Reddit stories and we will publish them on TikTok because those stories go really easy viral on TikTok. And when you go here on TikTok, you will find this page here, reddit.stories. Here you will see that these guys have 3 million followers and their videos are getting millions and millions of views every day, and they publish one video every day. And when you go on TikTok and here in search bar when you type, for example, Reddit stories and click search, and you will see, and click here on accounts, you will see that there are other people who are doing exactly the same thing, and these people have lots of views and lots of followers. 787,000 followers, 300,000 followers, 400,000 followers, 175,000 followers, and so on and so on. And that is because these stories are going really easy viral on TikTok, and that is why all of these people are doing that, and there is still room for you to do exactly the same thing. And if you think, well, that is difficult, how do I do that? Well, actually, when you go back here and when you open one of these videos, let's just say this one here, for example, you will see that these are actually really simple videos. It is just video in the background and text in the foreground and a voiceover. Now, if you can do your own voiceover, that would be the best. But if you can't, don't worry, there are free solutions. And when you actually go back to their profile, to their page, here you can see that they have a link in their bio and they are promoting different kind of products on this link, and they are making lots of money because their videos are getting millions and millions of views. But how do you find these Reddit stories? Well, you can simply go on Google and here in search bar you can simply type best Reddit stories. And here you can find Reddit stories. And when you click here on Mashable, you will see best subreddits for Reddit stories. So let me just scroll here. You will see relationships and relationship advice stories. Okay, this is not appropriate word, okay? And here you can see confessions and confession. Now, confessions are amazing. They are going viral really easy because other people like to read and hear other people's confessions. People hear confessions of people who did something that they didn't supposed to do. That is why these stories are going viral really easy. And let's say I wish to click here on confession. When I click here, it will open this subreddit where I can find lots of great stories. Now, some of these stories are true, some are not true, but that is not important because these are really great stories. And here you can see that this subreddit has 3 million members. And here you can see stories. Now you can sort this stories to get best and top stories. Just scroll here on the top and then click here on top, and you will get top stories of today. And you can also sort them when I click here on today by this day, this week, this month, this year, and all time. So let's say I wish to use top stories of this week. So you can literally create videos every day and you can upload videos every day on TikTok, and it is really easy to make these videos. I'm going to show you how you can make them in just 5 minutes, totally free. And here you can see lots of great stories. Let's say I wish to use this first one here. I used to steal from my store when I was a manager at McDonald's. So I need to click here to open this story. And this is the story, as you can see here, this is entire story. And now I need to convert this story into a video. And first thing you need to do, you need to find a video for your background. And for that you can go on Pexels, and here you can find royalty-free videos that you can use as a video background for your TikTok videos. And you need to search for vertical videos. And because this guy stole from his store, I searched store related videos, and here you can find there is lots of store related videos, and you can download any of these videos on your desktop to use them as a background. Next thing you need to do, you need to convert this article into a voiceover. Like I said, if you can do this voiceover by yourself, that would be great. But if you can't, then you need to use a bot. And for that, we are going to use this website here, video with W that call text to speech. This is a free software. So what you need to do, you need to go back on Reddit and you wish to actually spread this in multiply voiceovers. You don't want to make them one voiceover because you want to make them watchable and readable. So I will just copy this, okay, Control C, go back here and I will paste that here. And here you can choose a voice artist. I will just stick with this one, and here you can choose speed, and when you click here on preview you can hear how this sounds. So I will just click here on preview. Okay, this sounds really good, and this actually sounds like a TikTok video. So all I have to do now is just click here on download MP3 and download this voiceover on my desktop as a MP3. And next just go back on Reddit and I can also copy this. So let me just copy this to make another voiceover and go back here and I can replace it. And again, just click here on preview and then click here on download and download this as an MP3 on your desktop. So next thing you need to do, you need to make a video. And for that you can use Canva. You can register for a free account on Canva and now you need to upload that video that you downloaded from Pexels and those voiceovers that you created in video.co. I already did that and this is my template. So all I have to do is just drag this video here into my template. Okay, just give it a second. It is a bit slower. And I will just move it here and I will make it fit to my template. Okay, just like this. And now what I need to do, I need to click here on audio and I will just drag this audio here again onto my video to add that audio, to add that voiceover to my video. Now, if necessary, you can cut these videos, you can trim these videos. And as you can see, my video is longer than my voiceover, so I can simply just drag this slider like this. Okay, and now my video is exactly the same length as my voiceover. And because we have another voiceover, I can simply click here on this plus and I can just go back on the video and I can add same video because I wish to create a loop. Now, if you want, you can add another video, but I like to add same video because I like to create a loop. Again, just make it fit to your template. Just like this. And again, you just need to go back on audio and you need to drag audio number 2 to your video and just move this slider. And this audio is actually, this voiceover is actually same length as my video. So this is my video. And when you click here on this plus, you can even add some transitions, but you don't really need any transitions for this kind of videos. And when you click here on play, it will play this video with the change. But what you need to do again, just click here. This video, you need to click here on elements and you need to add text, just like those guys that I showed you in the beginning of the video. And after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on download and download this video as an MP4 on your desktop. And then just go back on TikTok and upload these videos. But how do you monetize these kind of TikTok pages? As we saw, there are subreddits related to relationships. And you can find great relationship stories in those subreddits. So what you can do is you can simply come here on ClickBank and here you can find relationship related products that you can promote. And you can promote just one product or you can promote multiple products by using Linktree. And then you can simply go back to your TikTok page and you can add your Linktree link here in the bio just like these guys did. And these guys are getting millions and millions of views. So let's say they are making just 5 sales per day and they are making $20 per sale. That is $100 per day. That is $3,000 every month. That is a good money. And if you upload videos every day and in next month or two, at least 4 or 5 of your videos will go viral and you will start getting thousands and thousands of views and you will start getting thousands and thousands of followers and you will start getting clicks and you will start making sales. Another thing that you need to do is you need to upload those same videos on your Instagram page as a Instagram Reels and also on your YouTube channel as a YouTube Shorts, because like I said, these kind of videos are going viral really easily because people like to watch these videos, people like to read these texts. And that is why you will start getting even more views on your videos, and you will start getting even more clicks on your affiliate links, and you will start making even more money. So this is how you do affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.